Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Calendar to another phone step by step clearly. To begin the backup process of your Google Calendar to another phone, ensure you have both phones handy. On the phone that already has your Google Calendar, open the Google Calendar app. Tap the menu icon, usually represented by three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu. Choose the account from which you want to back up the calendar. Look for an option that says Export or Sync and tap on it. If you see an export option, select it to generate a backup file. Follow the on-screen prompts to save the backup file to your device or cloud storage. Next, turn on your new phone and ensure it's connected to the internet. Download and install the Google Calendar app on your new phone if it isn't already available. Open the Google Calendar app on the new phone. Sign in using the Google account that you used to back up your calendar. Once signed in, navigate back to the settings within the app. Look for the option to import or sync your calendar. If prompted, upload the backup file you saved earlier. Once the upload is complete, you should see all your calendar events appear on the new device. Make sure to check that all events and reminders are present as expected. Finally, adjust any settings in your new app to customize your calendar experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.